Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both sides, the Unity project and the GitHub repository. Initialize Git locally, install Git LFS, and add a Unity. Git ignore so large binary files are tracked correctly. Once done, commit assets and project settings to establish project structure and history. Make sure Unity Hub opens the project with the same editor version to avoid YAML collisions. This step prevents corrupt scenes and merges later, and it prepares you for clean, continuous commits and reliable. Now you link the local repository to GitHub and push your first real changes. Add the remote origin, then create a branch for features or fixes so you avoid committing directly to main. Use Git LFS track for large binary assets and commit with concise messages that explain why, not what. Once your branch is ready, push it and open a pull request to merge. This preserves history and simplifies collaboration. Make sure to pull before you start new work to reduce merge conflicts. Finish by merging your branch into main and validating the project inside Unity. After merging, open the project, let Unity re-import assets, and run a clean build to confirm no broken references or missing GUID. If you hit conflicts, especially in scene or meta files, use a three-way merge tool or Unity YAML merge and re-import the affected assets. If things still fail, clone the repository fresh, repeat the steps to reproduce. Then revert the faulty commit or reapply the fix. This isolates the issue quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.